with the Granger. Meta na ata yung ganyang posing talaga. At kitang-kita naman kung bakit siya nag-MVP. Auntie, take us through this entire performance coming in from OHEB.
Sobrang ganda ng naging performance ni OHEB. But before we talk about that, gusto ko lang din i-commend yung performance ni JP. I think he has a 100% kill participation
Wow.
all throughout the match. Never niyang iniwan si OHEB. And especially if you are a utility roamer, yun talaga yung trabaho mo. Kailangan mabantayan mo yung gold laner mo. Kasi kahit nakukuha yung objectives earlier on into the match, nakita natin, naging fed si OHEB. Nagkaroon siya ng enough damage. Namatay siya isang beses, yes. But all throughout the match, safe yung distance niya because merong Matilda and alam niya yung ability niya to engage, disengage.
Tsaka yung kinagandaan dito for TLPH, since maganda nga yung mga lipad and all, alam nila kung sinong sasakay doon sa guiding wing. Kasi di ba minsan crucial yon na nakukuha ng ibang player. But at the same time, pag yung most crucial moments na kailangan si Cartesi yung sasakay, nakukuha nila. So it takes a lot of, sabihin na natin, confidence doon sa teammate. But at the same time, solid yung communication.
At umabot na nga sa punto na medyo nahirapan si Carl TC. 0-3 and 4 at this phase of the game. Ano bang ginawa ni Carl para makarecover dito? At paano nakatulong si OHEB?
I think sobrang naging mas careful lang si Carl. Nakita natin kung paanong nag-transition na si Sanford na yung paulit-ulit na nabibigyan. And yun naman talaga yung job na meron yung XP laner. The moment na ma-exhaust yung spells kay Sanford in the full views, tsaka lang magsi-Spear of Alpha si Carl. Kasi kinailangan niya makahabol in terms of the
Buy and
farm.
sell.
And yun na nga, nag-buy and sell daw si OHEB.
Oo, kasi buy and sell, nung time na yon, nag-ano muna siya, Wind of Nature, tapos Immortality, after nun, may Guiding Wind, may Shield, tapos Flicker out. Solid.
May iyak pala.
Napaka-solid. First performance at ayun na lumabas ang unang I love you ni OHEB.